Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I turn financial confusion into confidence. Today we're diving into the world of tax refund. You know, that money that the government sends back that sometimes feels like a surprise gift. We're about to unwrap that mystery and make sure you're making the most out of your hard-earned money. Get ready to level up your tax game with me today. All right, let's get started. You work hard for your money, right? So when tax season rolls around and you're on that refund check, it's important to know what's really happening. Think of it in this way. Every paycheck, a slice of your earnings go to Uncle Sam for taxes. Too much is taken out. Come tax time, you get that money back. But here's the kicker. It's not extra cash. It's your cash the government's been holding on to. So start looking at your tax refunds as your money making a round trip. It's not a bonus check. Knowledge is power. And you, my friend, we're about to make you a tax wizard today. Now, I want to busting some myths. Some folks think that a big tax refund is like a bonus or a forced savings plan. And here's the real deal. It's like giving an interest-free loan to the government. You're not getting nothing for it. Instead of waiting for a big refund, adjust your withholding so more money stays in your pocket throughout the year. You can then direct that money into a savings or even an investment account. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. Now, let's talk about refundable credit. This is where things get a little bit brighter. For the guys earning a modest income or those with kids, large refunds can actually be a boost. Thanks to refundable credits, like the earned income credit, if you fall into this category, educate yourself about these credits. They can put extra cash in your pocket, which you can use to bolster your financial situation. Remember, it's about making informed choices. Let's talk about non-refundable credit. These are different because they can reduce your tax bill, but won't get you a refund beyond what you paid. So if you got a credit bigger than your tax bill, it just zeroes out. If you're eligible for non-refundable credits, understand how they impact your taxes. And playing chess, plan your move, and don't leave money on the table. Finally, we've got adjusting your tax withholding. This is a game changer. If you're either getting huge refunds or owing bigger tax time, it's time to tweak those withholdings. So get up close and personal with your W-4 form at work. Use the IRS withholding estimator online to guide you. It's like tuning your car for peak performance. Get those settings just right for a smooth ride. All right, guys, there you have it. The lowdown on getting your taxes and maximizing your tax situation. It's not just about getting by, it's about getting ahead. Remember, you're not just working hard, you're working smart. So take control of your finances and build that brighter future that we all deserve. Hit that subscribe button, share this video with your crew, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay motivated, stay informed, at least keep crushing those financial. Till next time, keep pushing. Have a great day.